We guide you through how to change your Google language settings to English in 2025 so all your Google apps and services display in the correct language. On your PC or phone browser, go to myaccount.google.com and log into your Google account. On the left side, click Data and Personalization or Personal Info depending on your layout. Then, scroll down to the section labeled General Preferences for the web. Tap Language and you'll see your current language settings. Click the pencil icon or edit, then search for English in the list. Choose the version you prefer, like English United States or English United Kingdom. Confirm your selection, and Google will automatically apply the change across Gmail, YouTube, Google Search, Maps, and all connected services. If any app hasn't updated, refresh the page or close and reopen the app. After this, your entire Google experience will appear in English on all devices.